This message is broadcasted at the request of the National Christian Association. The National Christian Association has issued a global emergency for all hidden people in Christ. The Antichrist is risen and is now trying to make everyone bow down to it. Do not listen to them. Repeat, do not listen to them. They will make you take the mark of the beast. The name of the beast is 666. All Christians in the world are advised to seek immediate refuge, as all armed forces have become corrupt and vile. If they enter your homes, torture you, and even beat you so much to the point of near death, do not deny Christ and remain faithful to Him. If you hear gunfire, explosions, or any form of destruction, do not be afraid. Repeat, do not be afraid. God bless you all. Psalm 27.
This is a Kabu's emergency broadcast. The Antichrist has taken over the globe and is destroying all Christians. Do not submit to any of them. Repeat, do not submit to them. Christ will return soon, but we are to remain faithful. Render Psalm 27. Psalm 23. Isaiah 41:10. Matthew 19:26. Joshua 9. Oh no, our broadcast is being hijacked by something unknown. We have to immediately stop this broadcast for our safety. God bless you.